pre-fold nappies. How do they work? So a pre-fold nappy is just, again, the flat absorbency. So we've just got our absorbent piece of fabric and we've got our waterproof cover. Now pre-folds generally come in a number of sizes, so you might get small or newborn, small, medium and large. And what happens is as the baby grows, the pre-fold gets bigger. So you start off with a newborn, then a small, then a medium, then a large. And then your waterproof covers will go up in size as well. So this one here, let's just give you a little bit of a demonstration of using a pre-fold. Again, they're very similar to a flat nappy. So you can just fold it into little pads like this, which is why they're pre-folded, and you can put them inside your waterproof cover like so, and then just pop that straight on the baby. So nice and simple, easy to basically put together, and then we just pop our baby in there, pull the nappy up between their thighs and bring our waterproof cover around to make that nice and snug. So that's a simple way to do a pre-fold, but with the pre-folds, a little bit like the flat nappies, I like to change it up a little bit. So when using pre-folds, I would use them this way. So I would fold up the pads like so, and then just pop the top open to make it my nappy shape. And what that's going to do is it gives a bit of a shape round the back and a little bit more absorbency at the front too, because what we're doing is we're going to fold this up, and I just tuck that bit over because we don't need the extra length. We bring the wee arms around, and so this is where it's really important. Like you can see, this is only going to fit a small baby. As they get bigger, that's not going to go around with a bigger baby's waist, so you've got a bigger size of pre-fold. And then with the pre-folds, perfect thing to add to that is our snappies. So the snappies, again, just go on one side, on the other, and pull it down, and that puts the nappy on the baby, keeps it nice and firm and gives it that waistband effect. And what's happened by doing this is, again, we've now got a shape around the thigh, so that gives a better containment. And then we put our waterproof cover over the top, then this is giving you have to excuse my wee fella's legs, they go in all directions. By putting the waterproof over the top, we now have two leak guards around the nappy, making it a better fit around the thigh, giving you two up the back and two around the legs. Pre-folds, again, with pre-folds, when you go to change the baby, if just the pre-fold is wet or soiled, then we can just take our nippers off, we can take the pre-fold out, we can put that in our bucket ready to wash, put a new pre-fold in the cover and reuse the waterproof cover a few times. If there's any poo on the cover, then you will need to wash it. If it's just a little bit of dampness in here with urine, give it a wipe and then just put it back on again. It's just got to be a new layer going against the baby's skin every time. So really super simple system with the pre-folds. You do have to get multiple sizes. I would just start out with the first size and see how you go, and then get more as you get more comfortable, because they're simple, but you know, some people find them a little bit fiddly, but they dry quick, and the nicest thing about them is that they're generally 100% cotton, which is very durable. If you're having lots of kids, these will last through many kids. So simple system, dries reasonably fast, not quite as fast as the flat nappy because there are more layers of absorbency sewn on the inside, but it's still quite a nice quick drying nappy, and you will need a few of them. Generally, I think the packs come with around 24 nappies and 4 to 6 covers, and that's about right for a newborn, and then you would get more of the next size. So that's our pre-folds, and watch the next video to find out more about fitted nappies.